welcome to my YouTube channel Hema Agri Doctor. First of all, I wish you all a very happy World Forest Day. Actually, man is the very wisest creature among the creatures in the creation. But what happens to him when his intelligence comes to nature? In the name of development, 80,000 acres of forest are being destroyed. That is like cutting a branch, sitting like a hand. Some facts of forest include half of the world forest land is in Russia, Brazil, Canada, America, and China. Forests that receive the highest rainfall are called rainforest. Although they occupy only 2% of the earth's soil, half of the world trees and animals live here. The forest provide 28% of world's handcrafts. 4 square kilometers of tropical rainforest has 1500 species of flowering plants, and next one is many of these have medicinal properties. The reason is that the trees are thick here because when it rains, even for 10 minutes a drop doesn't touch the ground. Next one is due to deforestation, means cutting of trees. The number of wild animals worldwide has decreased to 53%. In last 5 decades, we have to protect earth, water, air and all things in the nature, and they will protect us. Some serious problems due to deforestation or anything due to decrease in forest number. According to Forest Rights Act, Adivasis have rights over the forest lands under the cultivation in India before December 2005. Under this act, the lands registered will be treated as forest land. This provides some income to the Adivasis by their cultivation of crops like tea, plantation crops, anything. They will cultivate those crops and they will raise income for their life. Forest officials say that the area of forest has increased to 1540 square kilo hectares. However, they are not actually transparently telling the facts about how much forest area has been increased like that, because so that some disputes are rising between forest officials and Adivasis due to reduction in number of forest. Actually, 2 decades ago, many programs were undertaken with the help of World Bank to increase the people's population who come under forest conservation programs. Now we are discussing about World Forest Day and how to protect forest. But before that, we have to know the uses of forest to our human life. So that I will tell about uses of forest. Forest do to environment what our lungs do to our body. Without forest, we have no survival. It controls the man-made air pollution, give clean air. Because of trees, the water in soil turns into vapor and clouds and returns to the earth as pure water. They prevent soil erosion and they also absorb heat and create cool atmosphere. Forests have power to control unpredictable changes, and dense forest and fallen leaves, dry wood and wet soil together absorb and store carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This is called carbon stock. Climate change can be predicted by the amount of carbon stock in forest. These are some of the uses of the forest. So we have to protect forest. In this year, that is World Forest Day in 2023, the theme is healthy forest for healthy people. The meaning is we should create forest for health of people. Healthy forest gives healthy people. Then what we can do to protect forest for our health? The United Nations says that as compensation for the losses, everyone should plant a tree or a plant, because the population is increasing. So everyone in any country should plant each plant. Few countries actually paying much more attention in protection of the forest. If we come to our country, many people are voluntarily undergoing changes to protect the forest. Like one person is Pana Jevi Ramaya, who is planting saplings and working for the development of social forest tribals like Jadau Paying, who have dedicated their life in growing plants. This is something everyone should remember, and the type of persons should increase. We should also get motivation by them, and we should protect the forest. Another thing is, besides cutting forest, wood can be prepared artificially. Do you know this? Keeping view in how much damage is done to forest due to cutting of plants, the researchers of University of Massachusetts will create wooden furniture in laboratory through 3D printing technology. For this, a few cells were isolated from the leaves of Genia elegans plant, and gel-like substances was prepared through tissue culture. Then it was then it was made into desired product, like desired shape through that 3D printing, and dried in the dark for 3 months to make it look like wood. Moreover, by increasing and decreasing the thickening and thickness and lightening in gel material, that wood can be made in possible shape. So we can make wood without cutting of trees. In forest, there is internal network between the tree to tree within the roots, and with the help of some fungi. That is, we have to know from this is, in forest the trees have unity to protect themselves, but in human there is no unity to protect ourselves. That unity should be developed. We have to learn from forest itself. And another thing is, plant a plant and take care of it. Other simple method to follow and create forest is cultivation of plants in seed ball method. Like, the clay mixture is made into small balls of 1.5 inches to 2 inches in size. A small hole is made in middle of it, and we have to place some seeds, and we have to close that, and we have to dry that clay mixture for 24 to 48 hours. After 4 to 5 days, it is sprinkled on the hilly areas. Half a rupee for making each seed ball, adding another rupee for sprinkling. Cost is less. The seed in seed ball is safe till sprouting, till in the rainy season. We can personally prepare like this, and we can throw somewhere in barren lands. We can do like this, and we can increase, or we can create forest where we can see barren land. So a small change can lead to safe and healthy future. So we have to protect forest and take care of the trees. Thank you.